Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Kai Wait On Me inspired nails. The index and middle fingers are both based off the digital album cover, so for both, start off with a light yellow base. Apply a latex barrier around your nails and wait for it to dry. On a makeup sponge, make a rounded gradient of dark purple, peach, and light yellow, and then gently dab it onto the nail. Repeat this until it's opaque, and then immediately remove the latex barrier. As you can probably see in the video, the latex barrier I'm using is not great, so this is your reminder to invest in a latex barrier that is better than the $1 Daiso version. When the gradient is dry, use a light blue to make mountains on the bottom half of your nail. If you have an opaque teal polish, you can totally skip this step and go straight in with the teal, but as you can see, my teal polish is pretty thin, so I needed a base for the color to show up properly. Use sheer yellow and sheer white polishes to make some light spots in the sky. Next, use sheer yellow and orange to darken one of the mountain peaks. Darken the right side of the mountains with a darker teal, and then use black, orange, and green to add some plants to the right side of the mountains. Like I mentioned before, the middle nail is similar to the index one, but for this one, you want to lighten the right side of the mountains, and you can use acetone to blend these colors together. Use green to add a leafy plant to the left side of the nail. Seal in both designs with a top coat. The next nail is a silhouette from the music video, and again, we'll start off with a light yellow. So again, apply a latex barrier around the nail. Make a white and light yellow circular gradient on a makeup sponge and dab it onto the nail. On the left side of the nail, make a large white circle for the sun. Dab some sheer white polish around the edges of the sun to make it a bit hazy. Use a maroon polish to paint Kai's side profile on the right side of the nail. When you're happy with how the profile looks, fill in the front half with maroon and the back half with black. Blend the two colors together with acetone where they meet to create highlights on the silhouette. Next, add some mountains to the bottom of the nail with a dark orange and add some highlights with a lighter orange. To finish off the silhouette, use a sheer amber to add a glow around the face where it doesn't overlap the sun. Sealing your design with a top coat. The next nail is an eclipse, so start off with a black base and then a latex barrier around the nail. Make a white and black circular gradient on a makeup sponge and dab it onto the nail. Make a white circle in the middle of the gradient and then use a makeup sponge to dab some white polish on the right side of the circle to make it hazy. Make a slightly smaller black circle inside of the white one and fill it in. Sponge some sheer and then opaque white onto the upper right of the circle and then make a straight horizontal line across it. Sealing your design with a top coat. The last design is this Comebacks logo, so start off with a black base and then use white to write Kai in cursive across the nail. Sealing your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this design will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!